Hello Acorn class. So we've been using our phonics to be sound detectives in our longer words this time. So we've been building up syllables. That means how many beats there are in a word. So I've got some here that we're going to practice using our phonics. Now this is going to be really important in the second section of the phonic screening test. The first section is those simpler words that we can really use our FredTalk. But the second section is where those words just get a little bit longer and we're going to have to work out where the sounds are, where those special friends are, and the syllables. So our special trick, remember, we sound out the first part of the word. Are there any special friends? FredTalk. Then the second part of the word. Special friends. Good. Then we put it together to say the word. So let's have a look. First part, r-i-v, riv. Second part, put it together, river. So we've got two syllables there, river. Put them together to build up that longer word. So we're going to have a go at doing some together and then I'll show you some that you can practice by yourself. So let's have a look at this one. I've folded it so that you can clearly see the two syllables. So, special friends, E, FredTalk, B-E, B. Second part, special friends, oh, we've got that split I, FredTalk, H-Ive, hive. Put it together, can you remember that first bit? B, hive, beehive. Good. So I'm going to show you some now that you can have a go at using your special friends, FredTalk. Remember, build up those syllables, read the first part first, then the second part, and put it together to see if you can read these really long words. Have a go. Remember, you can play and pause it as many times as you need to get that speedy reading. Here comes some more green words to practice those syllables. Let's have a look at this one. So look at the first part. Are there any special friends? No. FredTalk. Good. Second part. Any special friends? No. FredTalk. Good. Can you put the two together? Good. Let's have a look together. Cob. Cob. Web. Cobweb. Did you get it right? Well done. Let's have a look at another one. So look at the first part of the word. Any special friends? No. FredTalk. Good. Look at the second part of the word. Any special friends? FredTalk. Good. See if you can put it together. Well done. Let's have a look together. Mid, mid, night, night, midnight. Did you get it right? Well done. Here comes another one. So look at the first part of the word. Any special friends? FredTalk. Look at the second part of the word. Any special friends? FredTalk. Can you put it together? Well done. Let's have a look. Pump, in, pumpkin, pumpkin. Good. Here comes another one. Any special friends? No. FredTalk the first part. Good. FredTalk the second part. Can you put it together? Good. Let's have a look. Comic. Comic. Good. Here comes another one. Look at the first part. Any special friends? FredTalk. Look at the second part. Any special friends? FredTalk. Can you put it together? Good. Let's have a look together. Give, ing, giving. Did you get it right? Well done. Here comes another one. This is a long one. Have a go. Look at the first part. Any special friends? FredTalk. Good. Look at the second part. Any special friends? FredTalk. Good. Can you put it together? Well done. Let's have a look at that one together. Special friends. Ch, ar, ch, arm, charm, charming, like Prince Charming. Here comes another one. Look at any special friends? FredTalk the first part. Look at the second part, special friends. FredTalk. Can you put it together? Good. Let's have a look. M-O-D, mod-ern, modern, modern. Good. So you'll now see those green words again for you to practice with no sound, so you can practice building up those syllables using your special friends, FredTalk. Remember to say the first part and the second part of the word to put them together. Keep practicing. How did you get on with those syllables? Remember, you can play and pause the video as many times as you need to get that speedy reading of those syllables. Keep practicing and I'll see you soon.